Dreaming of bringing a car from Mexico to the US? Here's what most people get wrong. Importing a vehicle from Mexico isn't as simple as driving it across the border. Federal regulations, customs paperwork, and transport logistics can make it overwhelming. One mistake could cost you thousands or even prevent your car from entering the US. Check eligibility. Not every vehicle can be imported. Make sure your car meets EPA and DOT regulations. Gather required documents. Title, registration, bill of sale, and customs forms are essential. Choose a trusted transport service. Professional companies like A1 Auto Transport handle pickup, customs clearance, and delivery. Insurance and inspection. Protect your vehicle in transit and ensure it passes border inspections smoothly. Skip the stress, avoid fines, and ship your car safely from Mexico to the US with A1 Auto Transport. Visit a1autotransport.com/can-i- import-a-car- from -Mexico- to -the-USA/ to get started today.